Hey guys, so today I will be showing you guys my house tour, or my house in Bloxburg. Um, so yeah, here we have my garage, and we have this just stone driveway, some lights, and then in here we have my, what is this called? I don't know what that's called, but yeah. I am gonna put a picture here, but I don't have one yet. I don't know what to put there. Actually, hold on, look at my decals. Something I can put in the end. I already did this one in my cafe, but also I will be showing you guys my cafe. So yeah. We have these little thing wardrobes that are supposed to look somewhat like, you know, stuff. Here we have little storage boxes and like fuel container thingies and a light switch to turn off the lights. Because I don't really like to waste my electricity, even though my bills are like not too expensive, maybe like $200. Yeah. So then we have this walkway to over here, in case I'm like barefoot or something, and I don't want to walk on snow. So then we have stone, some trees over there, and this part was inspired by like the cozy cottage part, kind of with the fence and stuff. But yeah, you got a little bench, a few lights, and this door. And you go in, you got your friendly fireplace. Oh, my neck hurts so bad. Okay. And then you got a light here. It's really bright. Like, you know, and we have 3 windows in the kitchen. And we have a different window right here. We got a sink, fridge, toast, stove. I don't really want to change the countertop because it matches my whole theme of the house, kinda. So yeah. Now we got a few things. We got coffee, tea, and a microwave. And this is a one-person home, so it's just for me because I don't really role play like with kids anymore because of the new update. So like I can't even. I'm like too scared to bring anybody technically. So. In here, I don't know what to add yet, but so far we just have curtains and a window and a few windows. And we actually have these on there. Reminds me of like a plane or a cruise ship. But then we have a bed and a few lights. So yeah, I don't really know what to put in there yet. So yeah, in here, I didn't need to see the light switch. It's just blue. I decided to do blue because of the curtain, shower curtain, since you can't change the color of this. So yeah. So if you're not really a blue person, I recommend not getting this shower, because then you can't change it. But yeah. Um, Toilet, sink. Don't really feel like changing color. Curtains and another window. Sorry, I was yawning. Okay. Um. So my house is really small, but it's just for me, so it's like it doesn't even matter. Reality. Me trying to use bigger words. so I sound very grown up. Here we just got a normal TV stand. TV image good. Isn't there like books in here or something? Um, couch. Nice couch. And there goes the phone. Here we have a library area. Right here, just so see this pretty empty. Still gonna put maybe something there, you know. Might save up for a computer. Here is outside is like my favorite part, pretty much. I need to put lights back here to stop that. But in here we have a little shown area. I need to put a light in here, but there's TV, same as the other room, and on a different thing now. And then, you know those like little patio things where you can like, um, they're like, okay, so you can like close these and but it's like all open so that way bugs don't like really come in or anything. And you put it on like your lawn or something. Yeah, it's kind of what it's supposed to be. If you know. Um, then seats to eat out here, you know. And some lounge chairs. Yeah. And sliding door. Let's turn that off. And hold on, I'm gonna show you guys me putting lights in. It's $45 man. It's about mansion because I'm that weird. Um, not really a mansion, just a single person home, but yeah. Right, so in here, cheaper. Pew, pew, pew. Oh my god, I hate all these. Stop. I'm gonna like delete Skype or something. It gets so annoying. I hate those messages. They're really annoying. Like, you say something so. If I did this for myself, that was really weird question. Alright. Yeah, that's my house. Now I'm gonna go log on to another server and show you guys my A. Cap to the A. That you know what? Let's get in these messages. You know, let's get it all up in these people's beeswax. I'm Rec and Rec. Say hi. Why did she make such a good attitude? No. Hashtag no. I'm gonna take it for myself. I'm gonna just take the count for myself because I'm greedy. I got a good amount. Okay, we're on a new server. Just log in. Ow. I'm like scratching my head. Is it itchy? Because I have dandruff. God dang it. Dandruff. It's a dandruff. Dandruff. Yes. This girl. So here you have, well, right here, you have two of the menus. Aesthetic Robot Cafe, that's the name of my cafe. So you have an outside thing here, light there. So you got a giant menu, and on every table you have the menu, but like in smaller version. If you can see that. We also serve, what is it? Tea is on there, right? We have tea and we have, let me see what else we have. But we don't have water because we're those kind of people. Okay. Hey. Okay, and then we have a menu there. Little robot picture right here. And then like I said, every table has the menu. And we just got some regular tables. Here we got like a normal cafe would have. And then the couches, just like with the seats and stuff. And a giant robot picture that you have saw in that you should have seen in my other bathroom in my garage in my house. So here we have, pointing to that, it has gentlemen. So we're gonna open this. I'd rather close it because that way you can see everything. But we have a towel, some sinks, pretty modern, you know, and this will be smaller than the girls' bathroom. And oh, right, so they're the same size, but this one's a bit smaller because you know boys got aim stuff. So yeah, and these clothes, they just go in there. Clothes, you know. Um, see, turn the light off. Okay, here we have the girls. Yes, I made all of these by myself, minus those. Those are ones I got from the internet, but in here, we got sinks, bar soap, more soap, and now you can use perfume in Bloxburg. So yeah, what does it do? Hold on. I'm so confused what it does. Got a towel, and then the bathrooms are obviously smaller in here, but same like the boyfriends, like the boys. So yeah, do that. Okay, and then I will be playing in my cafe for a bit, but yeah. And then here's the kitchen, and it has a light as well. So yeah, that's it for my tour. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.